Franklin has the hiccups. Franklin can tie his shoes. Franklin can count by twos. And Franklin can eat his meals super duper fast. Sometimes Franklin eats his meals a little too super duper fast. This is a problem. One day, Bear phoned Franklin. "Can you come to a movie?" he asked. "I'll check," said Franklin. He ran to find his mother. "Can I go to a movie with Bear? Please, can I please?" begged Franklin. "Yes, you may go," said his mother. "Yippee!" shouted Franklin. "As soon as you eat your lunch," said his mother. Franklin ran back to the phone.